like to write books, or you like to write scripts, or you're good at poetry, or you really like acting, or XYZ, or you're really good at art. But we know so many autistic people are phenomenal in artistic careers.
Yeah, I definitely consider myself to be an artist in some way, more so than anything else, actually. I feel inspired to create beauty, play with colors, get into the flow state, not feeling stressed, but deeply content and joyful, which you can see in this latest mandala. They're all creations of what comes from the heart.
Now we know autism isn't a mental health condition, but we also know that autistic people can also have a mental health condition on top, normally because of just how complicated life is, and also a bit quite traumatic. There can be quite a lot of trauma there, and quite a lot of post-traumatic stress, actually, either from one big event or lots and lots of tiny events which have accumulated over our lives.